Hello everybody, welcome back to a GCSE maths video. In this video, we'll be looking at simplifying different terms. So in the previous video, we looked at collecting like terms. So that said, if we had something like 3a plus a, well, because it has the same letter component, we can add it. So it's simply 4a. Now, let's think about a situation where we have in a basket, we have 2 apples, we have 3 bananas, and we also have 3 apples. Okay, so how many apples do we have altogether? Well, that's going to be 2 plus 3, which is 5 apples. How many bananas? 3 bananas. Okay, so in a sense, we're doing the same thing here. We're collecting those like terms. Okay, so let's look at 3a plus 2b plus a. That's like saying 3 apples, 2 bananas, 1 apple, and 3 bananas. So how many do we have altogether? Well, let's collect those like terms. Let's collect the 3a and the a, add those together, we get 4a. And then we can collect the 2b and the 3b to get 5b. Okay, let's look at the second example. 5x plus 3y minus x plus y. What like terms do we have? We have 5x, we have x, and we have y. So let's think about the x. We have 5x minus x, well, that's 4x. And look at the y terms, you've got 3y, add y, that is equal to 4y. So overall, you've got 4x, add 4y. Okay, so let me just get rid of some of this working to make it clearer for the next example. So we have 5r plus 8 minus 2r plus 2. So what like terms do we have? Well, we have the r terms. Let's deal with those first. 5r minus 2r, that is 3r, and then 8 plus 2, well, that is equal to 10. So combining those, you get 3r plus 10. That was not written nicely, but yeah. Okay, and then the final one, we have 4x minus 5y minus 2x, add 4y. What like terms do we have? Well, we have the x terms. Let's deal with those first. 4x minus 2x, that is 2x. And then we have minus 5y, add 4y, is equal to minus y. So we have 2x minus y. Okay, let's do some examples. So we want to simplify 4x, add y, add 3x, add 2y. What like terms do we have? We've got x and y's, so let's deal with the x's. So we have 4x, add 3x, that is equal to 7x. And then we have y plus 2y, which is equal to 3y. Overall, we've got 7x, add 3y. Okay, let's do the next question. So what like terms do we have? We have m and we have our n terms. So let's deal with m first. 4m plus 5m, that is 9m. 2n plus n, that is 3n. Overall, you've got 9m plus 3n. And then we have 5r, 6r, plus 3s, plus 2s. What are our terms, like terms? We've got r's and s's. Let's deal with the r's first. 5r plus 6r, that is equal to 11r. And you've got 3s plus 2s, which is equal to 5s. Okay, and then you have 8 plus n plus 3 plus 5n. So let's think about our like terms. You know, you've got your n terms and you've just got your normal number terms. Let's deal with our normal number terms. So 8 plus 3, that is 11, and then n plus 5n. n plus 5n, that is 6n. So then we get 11 plus 6n. Okay, so let's try and go through these next ones. So 6a minus 5a, 5b, 3b. Okay, so I already started kind of getting to the like terms there. So what are our like terms? We've got a's and b's. Let's deal with the a's first. 6a minus 5a, that is a, and deal with the b's. 5b add 3b, 5b add 3b is equal to 8b. Okay, and then we have 3m plus 2n minus 2m plus n. So we've got m's and n's. Let's deal with the m's first. 3m minus 2m is equal to m, and then 2n plus n is equal to 3n. So overall, that is going to be m plus 3n. I did not write that here, but it's going to be a plus 8b for the previous one. Just make sure to always write out that fully completed form. Okay, and then for G, 2p plus 3q plus p minus q. What are like terms? Well, we've got p and we've got q. Let's look at p first. So 2p plus p is equal to 3p. 3q minus q is equal to 2q. So overall, that's going to be 3p added to q. Okay, the penultimate question, 2p plus 3q plus p minus q. We've got p's and q's in there. So again, let's look at the p terms. Excuse me. Let's look at the p terms. So we have 2p add p is equal to 3p. And then the q terms, you've got 3q minus q is equal to 2q. Overall, we have 3p plus 2q. Okay, for the final question, 4x add 5y minus x minus y. Let's get the x terms together. So 4x minus x, that is equal to 3x. And then the y terms, 5y minus y, that is equal to 4y. Overall, you get 3x add 4y. Okay, so I hope this was a useful video in helping you to understand how do we collect like terms and simplify different, expressions. And the basic way of doing that is thinking, what like terms do we have? Adding those like terms separately, and then, combining them into a simplified expression.